Okay, so welcome to today's talk, and I'm doing a small clinical remedy that I wanted to just share with you today, Saturday night, India. Um, a remedy which can really help a lot of patients. So let's try to learn this. We're going to talk about ginkgo biloba. It's a gymnosperm and Ginkgoaceae family. And, not much is known about this remedy, but I want to give you a little bit of clinical idea. Proving of ginkgo biloba was done by Swoboda, France and Koenig, and one of the main themes which we already know about this remedy that came up was main focus of ginkgo biloba came up was reduction in function of the brain, a lot of forgetfulness, a lot of concentration problem. Remember, concentration problem, indifference, and shying away from social contact. So typically, patients whom we give gelsemium, Baraita-carb, Medorinum, but we are not sure, think about ginkgo biloba, but not randomly. Let's try to understand the deeper aspects of ginkgo biloba. Let's understand deeper clinical materia medica. So a little bit about the proving of ginkgo biloba. I'll give you a little bit of clinical idea. One of the main thing that came up was extreme sensitiveness to coldness. So almost all the provers got this theme of lot of coldness. The another theme that came up was people with little appetite but putting on lot of weight. And finally, a few of them got headache with dull pain, typically in the temples. Interesting. The other very important theme that came up in ginkgo biloba was the feeling that I can't do it. I feel totally exhausted. The feeling of I feel totally exhausted. I can't do it anymore. मेरे से अब नहीं होगा. This is a very strong feeling that came up in provers of ginkgo biloba. A dull feeling, difficulty in concentration, avoiding people. I don't want to meet people anymore. Withdrawing back, withdrawal. You will think they are shy, but it's a withdrawal. Getting up at 7 a.m. and sitting and thinking, what do I do? Sometimes patients say, I feel numb, I cannot think properly. It's like a gaze. Forgetfulness, weakness in concentration, intellectual difficulty, confusion of spelling, syllables. People think something, write something, understand something else. A kind of emotional numbness. Remember the word emotional numbness. Apathy, like phosphoric acid, doesn't want to meet anyone, doesn't want to meet their doctor, doesn't want to do anything. And homeopaths often think of this little aspect and think, let's give sepia, let's give phosphoric acid. And this is why I want to tell you, look at the broader picture, look at the bigger picture. You know, someone once told me that homeopaths should know how to understand the tree by looking at the seed. Understand what I said? One homeopath once taught me that understand the tree looking at the seed. Just looking at the seed, you should know what flowers will it get, what branches will it get. So beautiful, no? This is the beauty of homeopathy. And one of the very important things, if you want to be a good homeopath, is you shouldn't care what other people think about you. Okay, so apathy, there is a lot of dullness, doesn't want to do anything, notices nothing, you know. Lot of dreams of water flooding, fearful dreams, robber's dream, dreams of falling down, breaking her head, dreams of bomb explosion, millions of ants, worms, bodies. Another very important thing is I feel myself like an old mother. I feel like I've become old. The whole feeling gives you a picture, a feeling of an old person. It's a very important theme, old people. And that's why it's a very important remedy for old degenerative processes, but also for young people who feel like old. You know, sometimes you'll find a 30-year-old man and you'll almost feel this guy is like 50. Or sometimes you might meet a 40-year-old guy, you'll be like, this guy is 65. This is the kind of degenerative, old, lifestyle disorder, degenerative problems. Think about ginkgo biloba. 30 potency is good if indications are well. Give one dose, wait and watch every 15-20 days. If need arises, you can even repeat it very often. Forgetfulness. Looking at ginkgo biloba, one is reminded, that one also knows ginkgo is a vasoactivator, nootropic, encourages the blood to go to the periphery, and that's why it's good for vertigo, tinnitus. But it kind of, ginkgo, in allopathy, they say it brings in a lot of psychological capacities, vigilance, and it fights depression and anxiety. And that's why many people say it's good for cerebral sclerosis and many such kind of sclerotic pathology. Surely. But I want to tell you some very, very important clinical rubrics of ginkgo biloba, which I hope you will learn a little bit about. Difficulty in concentration with headache. Okay. With difficulty in sleeping, with difficulty in talking, impossible concentration, low confidence, confusion of mind, what's happening in and around. In fact, many of them can have a kind of compulsive disorders, like OCDs also. Feeling that they are all alone, feeling that they have become old, feeling they are now dependent at mercy of others. Dreams of ants, arms cutting on, lot of fears of danger, dead bodies, fire, mother abandoning her. Interesting, no? Of water, of unification, dullness, whole dullness of the body, unable to concentrate. Eating makes them feel a little better, which is interesting. Fear of dirt, very important. Even in this COVID situation, they get into a panic. Forgetfulness, even traffic rules they forget, small things they forget. Strong feeling of forsakenness. Some people at a later stage develop a kind of indifference to everything, to love, care, affection, duties, everything. They don't feel like doing anything. It's also very important for learning difficulties. Lot of memory weakness in ginkgo biloba. There develops a bit of moroseness, a kind of, they develop pittiness towards themselves, typically. There's a kind of sadness, but there's more of indifference in this remedy, typically. And they talk a lot sometimes. Some of them at some stage can talk a lot. Clinically very important for Alzheimer's disease and Parkinson, neurological disorders. So a little bit about ginkgo biloba. I hope you learned a little bit about it. Write to me what you thought about it, and keep learning, keep evolving, and don't let what other people think about you define you. You're not your thoughts, you're not your mind, you're nothing. You're a much beautiful soul who wants to do some beautiful things in this world.